Good morning, Southeast Idaho. This is Nicole with your weather hazard brief for Friday, November 30th. We do have an active weather pattern in place today as an area of low pressure is currently centered over Central Idaho, right about here. It is expected to track out of our area, but not until later this evening. Until it does that, we do have belts of moisture in place across our area. The moisture will be wrapping around this low in about this fashion, bringing new areas of snow showers to portions of our area that are currently dry. And I'll show you that in just a moment here. We do have active winter weather advisories in place across portions of our area, and those include the areas highlighted in purple today. Now, these are currently set to expire at midnight tonight. Now let's head back to our current radar imagery. This was current as of 4 a.m. early this morning. So again, we'll show you where that low is located. It's give or take centered right about here. And the moisture located to the west of this low is what is wrapping around it and will be headed toward our area, the Magic Valley area, Central Mountain Sun Valley area, and also headed toward the rest of Southeast Idaho, but not until later this afternoon and early evening. The moisture that is currently over Rexburg, the Eastern Highland areas, and across Pocatello and headed toward Blackfoot will generally be sustaining itself early this morning. It is tracking generally to the north. However, as this moisture continues to stream up from the south here, we'll just be seeing additional snow showers, and portions of Pocatello and the Eastern Magic Valley area are seeing some rain showers even mix in this morning. So let's give you an idea of what these bands are forecast to do as the day progresses. So this is a model output of where the snow will be taking shape at 7 a.m. So we see that band across the Rexburg, Eastern Highland areas, generally in the same location, and then this band wrapping around the Central Mountain locations. 9 a.m. generally progressing further north across West Yellowstone Island Park, and the additional progression of the wraparound moisture through the Snake River Plain. At noon, we see a little decrease in the overall pattern of snow showers across our area, but we see a little increase in the snow showers across the Snake River Plain and areas south and east of the interstate corridor. 3 p.m., the wraparound moisture has now started to increase, and the showers have also increased in intensity across the highland areas, Soda Springs, and areas along the Wyoming-Idaho border. That trend continues as we go through the early evening hours, and also notice the continued snow showers across the Central Mountains. Now, all of that precip we are generally confident in that will be happening throughout the day. What we're questioning a little bit is this forecast in the overnight hours and continuing into the early morning, Saturday morning. A couple of forecast models are potentially showing this line of snow showers tracking from the north to south through the Snake River Plain. It's what's known as a convergence event, and it might be bringing an area of heavier snow showers through the Snake River Plain tomorrow morning. It's something that we will be watching. So forecasted precip amounts for this particular event through tomorrow morning. You can see highlighted areas of higher precip amounts. East of Idaho Falls, this includes the benches, east of Pocatello, and also the mountainous terrains of the Caribou Highlands, Teton Valley area, Rexburg, Island Park. What does that equate to for your snowfalls? Well, the areas that we have the advisory out for. It's anywhere from these yellow areas, 6 to 8 inches, and more on the mountain tops. In addition to the snowfall that is forecast, we also have an increase in wind speed forecast later this afternoon and continuing through the overnight hours. Now this is going to increase across the Magic Valley areas and generally the lower Snake River Plain. Now the rest of the upper Snake River Plain will see a little increase in wind speeds, but we're generally talking 20 to 25 mile per hour winds. Again, late evening to the overnight hours. After this particular storm has progressed out of our area and into Wyoming and Montana, we are expected to continue to see some light snow showers over the weekend that will bring our snow totals elevated slightly across the mountainous terrains of the Eastern Highlands and in the Central Mountains as well. So this is your snow total through the weekend. Just keep in mind this particular graphic is showing the totals in addition to our heavier snow event, that the advisories are also included in this graphic. Okay, so we will end our briefing here. If you have any questions about what is happening today or over the weekend, you can always give us a call. We are here to answer your questions.